Welcome to JH. I recently started using the Same Mool Essential Mool Cream because I was chasing that elusive, dewy glow that usually only exists in heavily filtered social media posts. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight and smooth it feels upon application, which is a refreshing change from those heavy creams that feel like you're spreading cold butter on your face. After sticking with it for a few weeks, my skin actually started feeling moisturized and looking radiant. It's almost like the product did exactly what the label promised. What a wild concept. Beyond the glow, my makeup finally decided to stop staging a disappearance act by noon, applying more evenly and staying in place much longer. It's formulated with a laundry list of nourishing ingredients like meadowfoam seed oil, macadamia seed oil, squalane, and ceramides to help strengthen the skin barrier. Because apparently, my face needs more structural reinforcement than a crumbling historic monument. Now, I'm walking around with a lot more confidence because my skin looks healthy and my makeup actually survives the day without making me look like a melting wax figure.